Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine. Almighty keep you all happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my every videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet shirt designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you popular. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. Keep for guys, so I keep similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how can you like our videos. Is you want to watch any videos related to visit my channel Crochet Lovers, and you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. Is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes too. So friends, today video is amazing. Every videos is a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss on the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Well, remember in prayer, and bye.